for the night. Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful life.
So, slowly making our way down the south east of the coast, out of Barcelona, and then we stumbled across this road, which is a bit, well, it's not a road, it's more like a pathway. Yeah, we're going to try and find a park up for the night. So not the best road.
Take me away from home, away from
Well, after an awful night's sleep and some frustrating driving, because to get across the train tracks that run right the way along the coast, most of the, I say crossings, they're not, they're underpasses, and I've got a height restriction of 2.4 meters, which we well and truly exceed. Excuse this today, I'm very tired after that blooming awful night's sleep, but we have found somewhere for now. We are right on the beachfront. I don't think really supposed to have camper vans and that here, but they are already parked up, and yeah, they were on Google Maps as well. So Tony and my dad have gone for a walk and to stretch their legs and just have a look round. Wow, I made a friend. I could not tell you her name. It's something a la 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 la. And she's beautiful. She's only 4.5 months old, but she's going to be big. She's a Labrador cross American Pit Bull.
Wow.
Looks gorgeous at the moment. May bite your face off later. That's not warm.
Now we found this the same way as we do in most of our park ups. Last night I just sat on Google Maps, just kept zooming in and out of different parts of the land and the coast, looking at distances and thinking I'll give that a go. Unfortunately, as Claire's already said, in this area to Barcelona, all the way along the coast here, there's a train track. Now that train track, there's loads of underpasses for cars to get under to get close to the beach, but not for vans. The train track is literally the equivalent of, well, it's 100 metres from where we are at the moment. So to get to this side, to the beach side, can be quite difficult. It's proving it today. We've had 3-4 detours because of tunnels and down some real small tracks. But we're here, and that's what it's all about. Welcome to the coast of Spain.
And the Mediterranean Sea. It's really cold still.
It is really cold still. There you go.
My feet are now blue.
Yep. Open space. There's a restaurant just round the corner. Perfect. This will do. And we'll see what it's like tomorrow. We'll either stay here just for tonight, or we'll crack on south. We'll see. Yeah, quite happy with this one, guys. And it goes to show a bit of perseverance, a bit of not planning, but a bit of research going in and out on Google Maps. Surpasses park for night, that's for sure. There you go. Just for you, just in case you're ever this way, here are the what 3 words.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. Ooh, I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go.
Good morning, world. As you just saw there's a train that runs past the back of the actual park up. And you've got the sound of the sea, and it was so peaceful compared to that campsite. So an amazing little park up. I think the train stopped running after 12 last night as well, and we certainly caught up on our sleep, that's for sure. Yeah, really enjoyed it. We were joined last night by another UK van, and a couple stayed over, a Spanish couple. He was fishing off the beach. Looks like he caught a magnificent fish. I'm not too sure what it was or what it is, but it was what a great spot. We just poled off the shore here. So yeah, I think I'd like to stay here for the day, to be fair. I could do a little bit of editing and just chill out. And there's meant to be a wind coming in, a strong wind up to 40-50 mile an hour gust, so it might pay us well just to stay put. But wow, wow people, what a beautiful place. How did you sleep?
I slept like a baby. Not showing off or anything. I had a great night's sleep.
Did the train disturb you in any way?
No. Not at all. It was fantastic. I had a lovely night's sleep. The white noise of the sea helped. Just that gentle roar all night. Yeah, very peaceful night's sleep. And
How many hours?
10? Maybe even 11, I'm not sure what time we went to bed.
Right in there, mister?
I'm very well, thank you. Had my breakfast.
What did you have this what did you have this morning?
Oh, just the normal egg, bacon, fried bread.
Wow. Sleep all right?
Yep. Just about to nip off now to find a supermarket.
Supermarket?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they have nice toilets in, don't they?
Yes, they do.
And then I shall return.
Ah, okay.
So I've left Tony in the van. He's currently editing one of the latest videos, and yeah, he has headphones on and I want to talk and he obviously can't. So I've left him in the background here. Excuse me, the sun's in my eyes. I don't know if you can see him in the back. He's actually near my dad. And another couple of vans joined us, one last night and one this afternoon. So yeah, it's nice, both Brits as well. And I've just come down to the beach here. It's a bit noisy because of the sea. And that roar of that ocean has been going all night, but it's absolutely gorgeous down here. And I thought I'd have a little paddle. I'm not very brave in the water, so I only go in down to up to my toes, get my tootsies wet. And it's not the warmest. It's obviously it's the Med and it's lovely. Woo! But that water's a bit chilly. Woo! Well, that was fresh. Now you can get inspiration for photography pretty much anywhere, and most people come to the coast and they think of big vistas, so the rocks and looking out to see what's in the distance, and yeah, we take a lot of those too. I take a lot of those too. In fact, I was taking some last night. But if you look closely, you can find some much smaller pictures that can be enlarged, and some really beautiful abstracts. Just been looking at the waves coming in and out, and as they leave, what you're left with is this beautiful pattern, and it's almost a diamante pattern in the sand. I'll see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see that, but these beautiful patterns here, all these little spikes, absolutely fantastic, and they make a lovely, lovely abstract picture. And it doesn't have to be on a camera, you can use your phone for it. I don't know if you heard that yell in the background. That was my dad not expecting to get tickled on the tootsies by the incoming water.
Another one. Oh.
It's not as
Cold tootsies.
cold toes. No, 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 no.
So a real quiet day here today, which has been nice. No, just not moved. Had a little walk along the beach, look around the local area. There is a garage, literally a 10-minute walk up the road here, a bit like a normal, BP garage. Isn't BP, I can't remember what it is. There's a garage just up the road here with really clean toilet facilities and a 10-minute walk, so that's been quite handy as well. So not much has gone on today. I think we're going to head inland and have a look at a place called Morello, I think. It's an old citadel, an old fort town, so we'll go and have a look at that. The wind picked up a bit today, but it's still a nice temperature. There you go. So not much to report from this park up, but a good one. Police come round here. They've not stopped and said anything. They've just patrolled round. It's in their car a couple of times today. So hopefully we'll get a good undisturbed night's sleep tonight, and then we'll be off further south and inland. Good early morning. So it's time to make our way south. I'm going to leave this location today. Beautiful spot. There is a train track there, so it can be a little bit noisy, but first thing in the morning. But what a beautiful start to the day.
Isn't it strange the way that I look at you? Can't turn away all the things that you make me do.
So we popped to Decathlon quickly, and unfortunately it was the smallest Decathlon in Europe, I think, and it had nothing at all, nothing for camping. There's about half an aisle, so we're a bit disappointed with that, weren't we?
We were, however, Decathlon has toilets, so not the end of the world there, guys. We purposely built Freddie without a toilet because we didn't want to carry the excess water and the weight, or have the trouble like we've seen on so many sites or so many places in the wild, people trying to get rid of their waste. So we didn't want a purposely built toilet system. We wanted something, well, we didn't want anything to be fair, but definitely not for number twos. So what's happening now, guys, is we've left that wild park up. We have been to Decathlon, and now we're heading back into the mountains toward a place called Morello, which is meant to be quite a picturesque old town, and maybe we'll find a park up along the way.